Good morning, my dear students. I am from Palestinian School in Doha. I'm going to explain your English lesson today. Please follow with me.
Now, my dear students, let's start our unit A New Friend with period 1. And first of all, let's listen to the following audio. Please listen carefully and try to read the sentences.
I'm Fiona. I have a brother and a sister. I'm Hala. I have a sister.
Very good. Now, my students, can you look at this picture and tell me what can you see in it? Yes, you can see boys and girls. Can you tell me where are they? Yes, they are at school. They are in the classroom. Can you tell me, is there a new student here? Yes, you can notice that there is a new student. And can you tell me, is the new student a girl or a boy? Excellent, she is a girl. Is there a teacher in the picture? Yes, there is a teacher. Very good. Now, let's listen to the next audio and look at the picture.
Track 3. Good morning, children. I'm your teacher, Miss Rana.
Good morning, Miss Rana.
How are you?
Fine, thanks.
We have a new girl in our class. Her name is Fiona. Please welcome her. Say hello to her.
Hello, Fiona.
Fiona, you can sit here. Hello, Fiona. I'm Hala. I'm from Bethlehem. Where are you from?
I'm from London.
I'm 9. How old are you?
I'm 9 too.
I have a sister. She's 7.
I have a brother and a sister. My brother is 3 and my sister is 12.
Thank you. Now, my students, let's read the following sentences. Number 1. Hala is from Nablus. Number 2. Fiona is from London. Number 3. The girls are 10. Number 4. Hala has a brother. Number 5. Fiona has a sister and a brother. Now, I will play the same audio again. Please take your pencils and try to put tick or cross in the boxes.
Track 3. Good morning, children. I'm your teacher, Miss Rana.
Good morning, Miss Rana.
How are you?
Fine, thanks.
We have a new girl in our class. Her name is Fiona. Please welcome her. Say hello to her.
Hello, Fiona.
Fiona, you can sit here.
Hello, Fiona. I'm Hannah. I'm from Bethlehem. Where are you from? I'm from London. I'm 9. How old are you? I'm 9 too. I have a sister. She's 7. I have a brother and a sister. My brother is 3 and my sister is 12.
Very good. Now, I will play the same audio for the third and last time in order to check your answers.
Track 3. Good morning, children. I'm your teacher, Miss Rana.
Good morning, Miss Rana.
How are you?
Fine, thanks.
We have a new girl in our class. Her name is Fiona. Please welcome her. Say hello to her.
Hello, Fiona.
Fiona, you can sit here.
Hello, Fiona. I'm Hannah. I'm from Bethlehem. Where are you from? I'm from London. I'm 9. How old are you? I'm 9 too. I have a sister. She's 7. I have a brother and a sister. My brother is 3 and my sister is 12.
Good job. Now, let me ask you this question. Can you remember what's the name of the teacher? What's the teacher's name? Excellent. Miss Rana. Very good. Now, my students, let's move to activity number 2. Here we have some questions about activity number 1 and our friends Fiona and Hala and their families. Now, please listen to the following questions, then try to answer them.
One. Where's Fiona from? 2. Where's Hannah from? 3. How old are they? 4. How many brothers does Hannah have? 5. How many sisters does Hannah have? 6. How many brothers does Fiona have? 7. How many sisters does Fiona have? 8. How old is Fiona's brother? 9. How old is Fiona's sister? Track 4.
Now, let's listen again to the same questions, then check your answers.
1. Where's Fiona from?
She is from London.
2. Where's Hannah from?
She is from Bethlehem.
3. How old are they?
They are 9 years old.
4. How many brothers does Hannah have?
She has no brothers.
5. How many sisters does Hannah have?
She has one sister.
6. How many brothers does Fiona have?
She has one brother.
7. How many sisters does Fiona have?
She has one sister.
8. How old is Fiona's brother?
He is 3 years old.
9. How old is Fiona's sister?
She is 12 years old. Very good, students. Now, my students, please read the following bubbles. How many brothers or sisters do you have? I have a brother. How old is your brother? He is 10 or she is 10. Now, my lovely students, your homework is to answer the following questions about yourself. The questions are: what's your name? Where are you from? How old are you? How many brothers and sisters do you have? Please don't forget to write the questions in your notebook, then to answer them full answers. Also, pay attention when you write that you have to start the answers with capital letters and at the end full stop. For example, what's your name? My name is Tala. You can notice here that I started the sentence with capital letter and at the end full stop. Also, the name Tala starts with capital letters. Don't forget to start your name with a capital letter. Where are you from? I am from Palestine. Also, my answer starts with capital letter. I is capital at the end also there is a full stop. The word Palestine also starts with capital letter because always countries start with capital letters. How old are you? I am 9 years old. Also here the sentence starts with capital letter and at the end we have full stop. How many brothers and sisters do you have? I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. Also here you have to start with capital letter and at the end full stop. Now my lovely students, let's move to period 2 of our unit, a new friend. Here we have 6 pictures of brothers and sisters and also 6 sentences. We have to match each picture with the suitable sentence. But first of all, I will read the sentences for you. A. I have 2 sisters. B. I have no brothers and sisters. C. I have a sister and a brother. D. I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. E. I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters. F. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. Please take 2 minutes to match the pictures with the sentences. Now, let's check your answers. Picture number 1. It's already done. I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. Picture number 1 with sentence D. Number 2 with sentence A. I have 2 sisters. Picture 3 with sentence B. I have no brothers and sisters. Picture 4 with E. I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters. Picture 5 with sentence C. I have a sister and a brother. And the last picture with sentence F. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. Very good. Now my students, let's move to activity number 2. If you remember, in period 1, we talked about our new friends, Hala and Fiona. And here we have some sentences about them. And to complete these sentences, you have to circle the correct words. But first of all, let me help you and read the sentences. Look at the first picture. I am Hala or Fiona. I am from London or Ramallah. I am 9 or 10. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister, or 1 sister and 1 brother. Let's move to the next picture. I am Hala or Walid. I am from Nablus or Bethlehem. I am 9 or 10. I have 1 sister or 1 sister and 1 brother. Please take 3 minutes to read and circle. Now, let's check your answers together. So look at the first picture. I am Fiona. I am from London. I am 9. I have one sister and one brother. Now let's move to the next picture. Look at her. I am Hala. I am from Bethlehem. I am 9. I have one sister only. Thank you. Now, my students, let's move to the third activity in this period. Here we have some questions and you have to answer them about yourself. Let me read the questions for you. What's your name? Where are you from? How old are you? How many brothers and sisters do you have? If you remember, in period 1, I gave you the same homework to do it about yourself, and I asked you to write full answers. Don't forget to use capital letter at the beginning of the sentence and to put full stop when you finish it. Now, I will help you and give you an example to answer. What's your name? My name is Tara. Here also you can notice that my sentence starts with capital letter and at the end I put full stop. Also, your name must start with capital letter. Where are you from? I'm from Palestine. Also, my second sentence or sentence number 2, I started it with capital letter and at the end full stop. Also, the countries must start with capital letter, Palestine. Question number 3. How old are you? I am 9 years old. Here I did also the same. I started the sentence with capital letter at the end, full stop. How many brothers and sisters do you have? I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. You can notice here that I started the sentence with capital letter and at the end full stop. This activity is the same like our homework, which I gave you before. But there is only one difference, that I joined the sentences together. Well done. Now, at the end of this period, I want you to do the following homework. Write about yourself. What does that mean? It means to use the same questions that we answered before and write about yourself, your name, your age, your country, your father, your mother if you want, your brothers or sisters. Now, I'll give you an example. I am Tala. I am from Palestine. I am 9 years old. I have one brother and two sisters. I live in Qatar. My father is a doctor. My mother is a teacher. Also, please don't forget to use capital letter at the beginning of the sentence and to put full stop at the end. Also, don't forget, the countries must start with capital letters. For example, like Palestine, Qatar, and also the name must start with capital letter. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understood everything. See you soon.